Hey up lads, how's it going? Keyboard review, Corsair K95 Platinum, and I think it is probably one of the best keyboards in the world. It is a bit old now, it's 5 years old, about 2015, 2016 this came out. I've had this one for about 6 months and it's gave me no issues. I've got Cherry MX Greys on it, or silvers even, and yeah, I'm going to review it. The Corsair K95 is probably the biggest keyboard I've ever had, but also the best built by far and the best looking. You can really tell that Corsair put some thought into making this keyboard. It is so well built, but it should be for the price it costs. This very keyboard here with the Cherry MX speed switches cost me just under £100, but it was a return item, but I've had no issues with it since. And the exact same keyboard with the exact same switches is £185 on Corsair's website, so I think I kind of got a steal with this one. The switches are great. I do like the Cherry MX speeds, especially for gaming, but here's a typing test. So the Cherry MX speeds are quite a nice sounding switch, and they're not tactile, they're quite linear because they are the gaming switch that Cherry MX make. The reason why my K95 looks so big is because I use it with a wrist rest and it just takes up so much more desk space. My desk is average sized, but it looks small when my keyboard's on it. When I used to use my K63 mechanical keyboard, I never used the wrist rest, but now I've been using it on my K95, I cannot go back. It is a necessity. The addition of 6 macro keys as well is a really beneficial feature. I do use all of them actually, especially in streaming. I use ones for transitions, and I use the top 3 for NVIDIA GeForce Experience for recording and taking screenshots and stuff like that. And finally, above all else, the RGB. The RGB on this keyboard is amazing. It's controlled in the IQ software, it's pretty good. There are a few issues where the keyboard's not recognised on boot up, but other than that, it is a pretty fine piece of software. Not as bad as, I don't know, NZXT Cam. So right then, overall, this keyboard is amazing. Very expensive, but it's a reason why it's that price. It's got the volume rocker there, it's got the dedicated media keys, and it's got an aluminium top plate. It's got everything you need, really, to be fair. But yeah, if you like the video, like it. If you disliked it, do whatever that is. And don't forget to follow me on Twitch, Twitter and Instagram. Links are in the description, and have a good day.